Hello, it's another Swerve review. How are you doing? Hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm going to review for you for the George Foreman grill. It's been around for a while, the George Foreman grill, and I've had a few different ones, not George Foreman but just other grill things. I don't know why I haven't had one of these ages ago, and the others came and went, but this one seems to be doing the business for me. It's the George Foreman grill. It's lovely. I've got a drip tray there to catch all the fat and anything that you don't want to eat comes down onto there. But it's a great little machine. I love it. You can get smaller ones than this, half the size of this, which I also use for work. I take one of these to work with me, a little one. And when I make my sandwiches, I just plug it in, and I have hot toasted cheese sandwiches in work. It is absolutely brilliant for that. But anyway, this is the double one. You can cook for family on here. I'm going to cook my dinner tonight on this, so here goes. I'm doing mackerel tonight. Now, what normally takes me 25 minutes, 30 minutes in the oven gets done in like 6 minutes on here. 6 minutes and it's done. So we close the lid. It's got a hot plate on the bottom and the top. So when you close it, you can just hear it sizzling away there. And before I know it, my dinner's going to be ready. So let's just leave it to cook, and we'll check it out in a minute. So here we go. My mackerel fillets have been in the George Foreman for under 5 minutes. And oh, look at that. Looking lovely. Ah! Yes, you got to use tongs. Otherwise you can burn your little pinkies. So let's go. We've got a pair of tongs here now. Here we go. Look at that. I'll turn it over, but it's ready already. So let's put it on my plate and dive into some lovely dinner. Look at that. The George Foreman grill is just smashing it for me. Look at that plate. Lovely, healthy meal from your George Foreman. Now, the cleanup for this is really easy, you know, literally it's just a wet cloth, and if you can see, the grease and everything just comes off really easy. So really easy to clean. Look at that. So clean these plates up very nicely. I'll just carry on doing that. It's just perfect. The drip tray, which has got some grease in it, just tip that out and rinse that out. The hot plate, just wipe clean, literally just wipe clean, and then you give it a bit of a soap in after. But it's very convenient and easy to use, quick, easy, tasty, delicious and healthy. So get yourself one of these George Foreman's. Like I say, I've got the half one as well. It's half the size, great to take to work. I'll take it to work with me and plug it in and do my sandwiches. Definitely worth getting. You can just have proper little fests, little food fests on it. Put anything, vegetables, meat, anything. Really good machine to have, and I highly recommend it. The George Foreman. I got mine from Asda, local supermarket, and they're not that expensive. My small one I paid, I think, £22 for. This one's a little bit more, 35 or something. I can't remember, but I'll put a link in the description where you can get it. And do get yourself one, the George Foreman grill. Look at that, perfectly clean. Well, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you press the like button. I never used to say that, but apparently that does really good for the creators if you like their channel. So I just hope you do like it. Press it on if you do like it, you know. So that's it for me. Merv Swerve for the Swerve reviews. Nice and clean, ready to use again tomorrow for my next food. You'll probably hear the seagulls in the background. They don't stop laughing at me. Bye bye for now.